What if there was a way to unlock your brain's full potential? I mean, Morgan Freeman clearly told everyone that humans only use 10% of their brain.
At the top of the animal chain, that we finally see a species use more of its cerebral capacity.
Okay, but in reality, that 10% rule is actually a myth since we actually use all different parts of our brain throughout our daily activities. But I recently stumbled upon a real-life limitless pill that boosts our brain. Yeah, a brain boosting pill.
But don't we already have a brain-boosting substance called caffeine? Why would you want a pill?
Well, you're right, except that my sister got targeted through the Instagram ad and made the jump to try it out for both of us. So, for the next 7 days, I'll be taking this $120 pill and see if it makes me learn the entire Chinese language. Bullshit. Just kidding, I'm so bad with learning languages. To access the pills, you just simply take a quiz on the website, and after that, the company will send you a personalized set of nootropics. Then after you wait a couple of days, boom. So inside this neat looking box, we actually have 30-day supply of pills that we can try. These include the motivation, clarity, logic, and energy pills. Apparently, these all include different substances to help with the things that it says on the box. For example, motivation is supposed to amplify willpower and self-discipline. Best for crossing off to-do lists, sticking to good habits, and self-discipline to complete tasks. I feel like those are the things that benefit pretty much 99% of the entire world. Next, logic facilitates analytical thinking and complex problem solving to take on tedious tasks. And clarity will support a calm, focused flow. So I guess you essentially become a Buddha version of yourself. And lastly, we have energy, which will help you boost through the midday slump. So if you haven't realized yet, most of these statements are relatable to probably everyone, which also means that it could just be a fancy marketing statement to explain the benefits of caffeine. Because at the end of the day, who doesn't need to be problem solving, be calm, and get through the midday slump? Anyways, they also send you a nice little journal so you can provide some feedback to the company, which they gather from hundreds and thousands of people to pretty much make the pill better. I decided to try with the motivation pill because who doesn't need motivation, right? Now that I've taken my first pill, let's talk about nootropics, aka cognitive enhancers, aka not caffeine. The thing is, some people think caffeine is a nootropic, but although they may have similar effects, the outcome is different. Basically, nootropics are an alternative to stimulants, aka caffeine, since nootropics also will not give you jitters, crash, and side effects. And according to thesis, nootropics provide long-term changes to the brain in a positive habit formation. Other forms of nootropics include ginseng and ginkgo. You can see the graph provided here by thesis comparing stimulants to nootropics. The specific substance that we're interested in is a CDP chlorine, which is one of the nootropics prescribed in Europe as a drug to help with memory problems for people with dementia. Another key substance is L-theanine, which is a supplement to enhance the effects of caffeine and ultimately counteract caffeine jitterness.
So tonight we're gonna party till the party don't stop.
Surprisingly, coffee doesn't have this substance, but green tea has both caffeine and L-theanine. Team green tea, anyone? So, my experience on the first day with the pill was a bit strange. Also, I didn't get much sleep the night before, so I thought this is the perfect time to try it out. Once I took the pill, I did get an urge of motivation, in a way, to work on this video pretty much, but I'm also thinking it may be just placebo effect because I pretty much took caffeine. While I was trying to get through the first day with the pill, I realized it's already day 2.
You know, right now I'm feeling like I can do the things that I planned out for today, and I don't know if it's because I planned out the things that I need to do today that I feel motivated to work on it.
Or if I took the motivation pill, which is why I'm motivated.
I don't know, but it seems like the pill's working.
Okay, so I just finished working until, what is it, right now it's 5 p.m. I think I literally blazed through
my work like non-stop, maybe like 5 to 10 minute periodic rest. But I think, yeah, the pill's definitely working for me, at least. I'm able to focus more. Could be placebo, maybe, I don't know. We'll find out. It's only the second day, so 4 more days to go for the motivation pill.
Behind this incredible magical pill is a team of Thesis. Their slogan is literally lazy doesn't exist. The two founders, Dan and Adam, both were either stupid, lazy, or unmotivated. Dan worked at a sandwich shop but managed to score in the 99th percentile on the GMAT and earned a master's degree from Yale and Inseed. Adam also struggled on focusing but eventually found Nootropics. The team at Thesis has generated over 500,000 customers over the years and have gathered solid amount of data to know that their pills actually work. And guess what? The ingredients inside the pills include caffeine, L-theanine, and chlorine. Fortunately, Thesis follows the FDA guideline called Current Good Manufacturing Process, also known as CGMP, to ensure the safety, and the ingredients are classified as generally recognized as safe, which pretty much means it's safe. Day 3 has come, and this time I actually fell asleep after taking the pill. I think mainly it was because I got hired for a full-time job position, and I've been searching for and interviewing for over 5 months now, ever since I moved to San Francisco from Hawaii. So I think naturally my body just felt relieved and probably relaxed after getting the offer. I'm officially 1 pill away from completing the 6-day trial period for the pill. I think the 4th and 5th day definitely felt better overall and alert than usual. Before I get to my last pill, let's just talk about experience with caffeine. Ever since graduating from my university in 2018, I never really relied on caffeine. I mean, I just didn't have to rely on it since I never had a set schedule to work. Although I can't say that caffeine doesn't help me, I can't necessarily say that I need it either. Or don't need it. With that being said, I think this experiment is helping my brain to feel better and motivated because I never had to rely on stimulants to go through my day. The good thing about these pills are that it's supposed to have a long-term changes and effect as I finish the trial and ultimately focus on one set of pills. Also, the company Thesis have gathered over 500,000 of customer data throughout the years, so that tells you something about the track record and proof for these pills. So with my skepticism aside, I took my last final pill of motivation. To wrap things up, here are my takes on these pills. Just looking at the motivation ingredients, it has all the nootropics, including the key substances L-theanine and caffeine. Essentially, it is a better version of green tea since it includes the 2 substances and more that hopefully benefits our brain. I like the fact that you can take a quiz and they will customize the blends so you can know exactly what you're taking and how it can be helping your brain. There's also a personal coaching and support on the website as well, and best of all, I think it works. Is it worth the price tag of $119 for one time or $80 a month subscription? I'll still have to finish the rest of the boxes for energy, clarity, and logic to decide that. Also, I wish there were more clear proof that this is better than just drinking coffee or green tea, but you'll have to test that for yourself. The reviews for these are also very positive from the people who have actually used them. Thanks for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.